Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, level 5. How are you today? Okay, I hope today you are excited and improve your English, healthy and full joyness. Okay, welcome back to Reverse Education with Miss Ida in YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going talking about how do you feel today. Okay, now we have to next continue our lesson. Okay, next slide we can see about, okay, the first slide you have to know about the definition of feeling. Feeling or feels is means showing emotion or a reaction or sensitivity to someone, could be happy or sad. Okay, hari ini kita belajar mengenai feeling. Perasaan kamu gimana hari ini? Okay, well, next slide. And the other about definition or feelings. Feelings means, or feeling is defined as the sense of touch or something experienced through touch or emotion. Okay, feeling itu adalah perasaan kamu, bagaimana ya perasaan kamu hari itu, senangkah atau sedihkah. Okay, well, look at about the others of expression, personal condition of feeling. Well, the first, okay, look at this one. There are some variety of expressing personal condition of feeling. They are happy. Happy means feeling or showing pleasure. Okay, look at this one. Like this one is including happy. And this one sad. Sad means feeling or showing unhappy. Look at this about her eyes. Okay, like this one. And the next caption, excited. Excited means very and enthusiastic. Okay. Next slide. You can say the others of expressing personal condition of feeling. Okay. Well, the others expressing personal condition of feeling like this one. Confused. You know, confused. Like this one, confused. Confuse someone unable to think clearly. Yeah. Okay, this one confused, like being something like this one. Think about something, I don't know. Depend of the person, okay? And this one, surprise. You know, surprise. Surprise, feeling or showing surprise, like this one. Okay. And the caption, angry. You know, angry like this one. Angry. She doesn't like to something or feeling showing annoyance or displeasure. Well, the other slide, you can see. Okay, this one expressing personal condition of feeling. There are bored. I am bored. Okay, bored. Bored means feeling worry because one is unoccupied. Okay. And this one hungry. You know hungry. Hungry is trouble about his or her stomach. Or hungry, someone to need of food. You know, like this one. Okay, look at the picture, this one. Well, the others of caption, embrace it. You know, embrace it, same like this one, or sigh. Okay, embrace it mean feeling or showing embracement. Okay. Look at this one, another slide. Okay, there are expressing personal condition or feeling. This one, tired. Okay, tired. Okay. Tired means someone in need of sleep or rest. Okay. This one of tired. And the next caption, like scared. You know scared? Scared means feeling or showing frightened. Or she or he doesn't like about something. Okay, make it he or she frightened. Okay, the other caption. Look at this one, thirsty. Thirsty including about the expression personal condition of feeling. Thirsty feeling the need of drink something like this one. Look at this, the caption. She or he want to drink something. Well, the others expressing personal condition or feeling. The next slide. Okay, expressing personal condition or feeling. There are, okay, sleepy. Sleepy and sleep, there are difference between of them. Okay, sleepy means, sleepy itu artinya ngantuk, ya. Kalau sleep tidur. Okay, you have to know difference in between of them. Okay, and sick, you know that about sick. Okay, unhealthy. Okay, like this one, and fine. Okay, this one fine. Okay, not sad not sad. Okay. Okay, the others of expressing personal condition of feeling, we can see there are some variety of personal condition of feeling. There are upset. Upset like this one. Upset means make someone unhappy. Look at this about his face. You know face? Unhappy. Okay, the others are proud. You know proud? Proud someone the feeling deep pleasure or satisfaction as a result. Okay, you can say it about proud itu artinya bangga, ya. Okay. And the last of caption, you can say look about disappointed. Disappointed. Disappointed mean a person upset or displeasure. Okay, well, this one, there are talking about our material today, talking about how do you feel today, or how are you feeling today? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for coming today. If you understand, if you education about our material, please ask me in WhatsApp group. See you next week. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.